Search engines are an inherent part of our day-to-day lives. Want to research a holiday or buy a new coat? Google it. With the world's online information at our fingertips, we trust search engines to provide the most relevant and valuable results for our search. This trust in search engines means that ranking at the top can be incredibly valuable for businesses. Enter SEO. The ultimate goal of SEO: be visible to the right people at the right time. That's all well and good, but a brief look into SEO can leave you feeling confused. How does it work? What is spam? How long does it take? It's true, there are a lot of factors to take into account. Luckily for you, we're here to explain the core principles. It's not magic, it's not trickery. It's all about relevance, value, and authority. Search engines are businesses. The sheer volume of searches means they can charge people to advertise on their platform. They want to keep people searching, so it's in their interest to continually deliver great search results. And it's in our interest as SEOs to make it clear to Google that your website is the best result. It all starts with research. Who are you trying to target? How do they search? Which searches are used by the most people? What are your competitors doing? We need to get an in-depth understanding of your industry, how people search, and your goals. All this research is great, but it needs to be applied to have an effect. Imagine the internet as a vast library of information, and the search engine is the metaphorical librarian. We need to provide structure and clarity to increase our chances of being returned for a search result. The clearer each web page is, the easier it is for Google to categorize it and understand the value it offers the user. This is often called technical SEO or on-site optimization. Creating solution and value-led content underpins any successful SEO campaign. It helps to build authority, target buyer personas, and provide solutions, increasing traffic and brand exposure. Great SEO does not create content for the sake of it. Our content targets specific people at specific times. It influences purchasing decisions. It develops authority. We're constantly creating engaging content, targeting your market and increasing conversions. So we've done the research, got a perfectly optimized site, and your content is awesome. We can further boost your rankings through gaining links to your site. View them as votes, likes, or just a good old-fashioned thumbs up. We're not talking about rubbish directories that nobody uses. We're talking about relevant websites that can deliver real traffic. Think digital PR. Remember the content we're producing? Well, that's the holy grail. Produce content that's so good that people find your content and link to it organically. One piece of content, multiple links. Our digital world allows us to track and record data on just about anything. It's our job to highlight and utilize the data that can provide a real impact. Analytics and reporting are not there to bombard you with confusing numbers. They are there to help make things clearer. So there you have it, a whistle-stop tour of SEO. Of course, if you want a top-notch agency, we're always here.